So here is an absolutely agile, stealthy animal that literally can catch birds out of the sky, but mostly it prefers to catch mice and stuff with its stuff. Servals are medium-sized wildcats native to the African savanna, known for their elegance and hunting prowess. Servals are slender cats with long legs, large ears, and striking spotted coats. Servals primarily inhabit savannas and wetlands across sub-Saharan Africa, thriving in areas with dense vegetation and water sources. Servals are remarkable hunters, integral to African savannas. Protecting their habitats and understanding their needs is essential to their continued survival.